A former X Factor finalist has promised the real story of his innocence will come out, after being arrested on suspicion of rape. John Yoker, 35, a contestant on the 2011 series of the ITV talent show, was arrested in the pub he was running Chorley, Lancashire, where he lives. Police are investigating the alleged rape of a woman in her 20 Sekunden, at a property in Chorley on September 15 last year. He told The Sun, "It's all bulls. There's no truth in it. It's just malicious. The police have interviewed me, and if there was any truth in it they would have charged me, wouldn't they? I could have done without it, to be honest." But the real story will come out. It is understood the singer was arrested at the Imperial pub in the town centre in front of his regulars, on the day of the alleged attack last year. He was later released on bail pending further inquiries. He has since left his job and is continuing to look for work in show business. Acknowledging his career was struggling a little, he said, "I still sing in local pubs and weddings, that sort of thing. I've still got the voice and I'm still trying to get into the business, to be honest." He took over the Imperial in 2017, saying at the time, "X Factor was great, but that was a long time, and after years of indecisiveness I decided to fulfill my lifelong dream to become a publican." He is understood to have left the pub last month. A Lancashire police spokeswoman said, "Detectives are investigating an allegation of rape in Chorley." It is said to have happened at an address. In the town on Saturday, September 15. A 35-year-old man from Chorley was arrested on suspicion of rape and bailed pending further inquiries. The complainant is a woman in her 20s.